When you apply for disability benefits, use numbers. Hi, this is Jonathan Ginsberg, and what do I mean by that? What do I mean by use numbers when you're applying for disability benefits? I say that because disability is about your capacity to do work and work-like activities. And when you're talking to a judge or you're filling in your application for benefits, you need to be able to tell Social Security about your capacity to do various things. Sitting, standing, walking, lifting, carrying, typing, folding laundry, driving in a car. All those things need numbers. You can't say, I can't sit very long, I can't walk very far, I can't lift very much. That doesn't mean anything at all. Not very far could be 10 feet, it could be 10 miles. We simply don't know. So you want to be real specific. I can lift 5 pounds very occasionally. I can lift 15 pounds once a day. I can walk 15 or 20 yards, then I've got to stop and rest. After standing for 15 minutes, I need to sit down and rest with my legs extended for at least 20 minutes. That's how specific you need to be. I can fold laundry for about 5 minutes and I've got to sit down. I'm cooking at the stove. I have to sit down because more than 5 minutes of standing, I can't do it. I can't lift a 5-pound fry pan. You want to give Social Security really specific information in everything you do, because they're looking at your activities of daily living as evidence of what you might be able to do in a work environment. So in daily living, you're sitting, you're standing, you're walking. If you sit, you have to have your legs extended. That's relevant. So how long can you sit in an office chair without your legs extended versus how long you have to be in a recliner. A recliner is not a work-like setting. So you want to talk about things in a work-like type of setting. Understand as well that you may have good days and bad days, and some days you may be able to do more than others. You kind of need to pick an average day. When you're answering these questions, when you're practicing with your attorney, you want to pick an average day and give the judge a sense of what your average capacity is. Understanding you may have a good day and do more. And you can say, on a really good day, I could sit for 30 minutes, but on most days, 95% of the time, it's only 15 minutes. You can also say, I can sit up to 30 minutes. I can stand up to 15 minutes. Most days it's less than that, but on a really good day I can do that. So even if you don't want to say I can sit for 5 to 7 minutes, you can say I can sit for up to 10 minutes, something like that. But you want to be as specific as you can with as many numbers as you can. You want to eliminate from your vocabulary, eliminate, I can't stand very long, or not very much, or not very far, or it depends, or I hadn't really thought about that, or I don't really know. It could be some days X or some days Y. No, you want to be specific. You want to avoid the generalities, not very much, not very far, some days, or I haven't thought about it. This is stuff you want to prepare ahead of time. It's in every case. You're going to have to answer these questions. So you want to know. Practice with your attorney, come up with some good answers to these questions, make them consistent with your medical records. You'll be ahead of the game. 95% of the people out there won't do it. And I can't tell you how many times when I'm doing my pre-hearing conference, the first thing on my client's mouth is, I can't sit very long. We correct that, we go in. We're probably the only people that day that do it. So you want to be real specific. If you do that, your chances of approval go up and can go up very significantly. So I think you'll find that this tip alone really valuable when you're appearing at your hearing. Hope you found this helpful. If you did find it useful, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube, like it on Facebook, subscribe to our channel, and like our Facebook page. A lot of good information there. I'm changing it, updating it all the time. Go to ssdanswers.com and grab a copy of my Secrets to Winning Disability Survival Kit. No charge for that. Again, a lot of information there, being updated all the time. I think you'll find it gives you a real edge when you're applying for disability benefits. If I can be of help to you, please leave me a comment, send me a question. Happy to try to help you any way I can. My name is Jonathan Ginsberg. I wish you all the best in your application for disability benefits. Thanks a lot. Hi, this is Jonathan Ginsberg, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to know more about how to win your Social Security disability case, I'd like to invite you to download my Secrets to Getting Approved Early Survival Kit that I created just for people like you. Currently, I'm making the survival kit available at no cost, and I encourage you to grab your copy now. Some of the topics I cover include, how do I know if I have a case? Is it the right time for me to file my claim? 9 common mistakes that can doom your case. the 3 must-have arguments you use to win your case, and a topic that every disability claimant wants to know: how to avoid trick questions from the judge. If you or a loved one need to win Social Security disability benefits, you'll find the Survival Kit essential reading. Download your Survival Kit right now and at no cost. Just visit ssdanswers.com/survival and sign up. It's that easy. Please act now. And as always, I wish you the best.